Good day, guys. This will be the first tutorial on Prisma 3D, which is a 3D animation app. So now when you open the app, you'll see this. So to create a new project, you click the plus button. Then it opens this viewport. So this is your viewport where you can check and see what you are doing. Call it viewport, 3D viewport, where you can check and see what you are doing. So now to put an object in your viewport, you click this box icon, then select the object you want to put. So majorly we have really 5 objects here, and it text. You have the cube, the sphere, the side cylinder, the plane, and the pyramid. So let's use the cube. So when you click the cube, and the cube will appear here. And now to control this cube, you can use your finger to move around, one finger to rotate, and the two to zoom in and out. So I think to use your cube, like to move your cube around or edit the cube, you have 3 gizmos here. This one is for movement, the 3 arrows up, down, side, front. Then this one is for rotation, you can rotate your box. Then this one is for scaling, which is to increase any size you want. So this so we'll be looking at the gizmos now. We'll not go to the selection tool. So now after doing that, we are going to create a little project. Before we do that, let's understand some other things too. So here, this is your home button. This is to save your project. My project is already saved. So when you first create a project and you want to save it, if you click the save button here, you have to name your project any name. You put any name, the name that is peculiar that I can remember. You put it there and save your project. Here is the render tab. But this side you don't really need it for now, because you don't really understand the animation app, so you don't really need this tab for now. And we have the 3D import and export and help. So now we are going to be creating some projects. So this project we want to create is that we want to import a plane as our base, that is as our ground. Then we are going to import some objects, maybe a sphere, a cube, and a pyramid. Then those objects, when we import them, we're now going to arrange them on the plane. That will be the project of today tutorial. So to do that, let's delete our cube first. The first thing is to import a plane. So when we import a plane, let's just take it up from the background. Okay, this is okay. So you are going to remember I told you scaling. So you don't, once you see that the edge of these lines is box, that means you're already in scale mode. Once you see that it's like this in cycle form, you are in rotation. And once you see that they are in arrow form, that means you are in movement. So what you should do now is that now you have imported this. So the next thing to do is to import your cube and your material. So we are going to import a cube. Then we are going to arrange it. So now raise your cube up. That's only a little base will be on the plane. Then we import another. So now, when you have imported a cube, you arrange it. Just raise it up a little, so that only a little can be showing down here, so that it would give the effect of it staying on the plane. Then now you import another thing. You import a sphere. Then you use your moving gizmo to arrange the sphere to on it, and then you import a pyramid. Right? Then you arrange the pyramid on it. So make sure that none of them are floating. So when you are done with that, you can see, and your work should be like this. So I would like to see how your work should look like. I would like to see what you can do. So with this we know now that we have covered the movement and the scaling. And if you even want to do more, you can rotate this sphere in this way. We're using the green side, so that you rotate it to the side. I can rotate this so this way, giving it a cool effect. So this way we have learned how to use the movement gizmo, rotation gizmo, and the scaling gizmo. And we have also learned how to import cube and sphere and cylinder and plane and pyramid. No, we did not import cylinder, sha, but we imported the cube and sphere and the pyramid. So with this, I think you have reached a certain level, and if you could produce something like this, you have cleared the first stage of Prisma 3D modeling and animation. So we are going to be going step by step. Follow us for more tutorial. Follow me for more tutorial. See you later.